In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the baby seat feature in WP Travel Engine for 2025. This is a fantastic addition to your travel website that can enhance user experience by offering families the extra convenience they might be looking for. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, head over to the admin page of your WordPress site by entering yourdomain.com/wp-admin in your browser's address bar. Once there, enter your login credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the WP Travel Engine section. Navigate your way to the Settings option, where you will find Trip Facts. This is a crucial area within the WP Travel Engine where you can customize and introduce new features, such as the baby seat option. Click on the Add New button within the Trip Facts settings. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a title for the new feature. Let's go ahead and title it Baby Seat. This title will be what customers see when they are choosing from different trip options on your site. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of field. You have a couple of options here, text or checkbox. You can select either based on how you want customers to interact with the feature. For instance, a checkbox could be useful if you want users to simply indicate whether they need a baby seat, whereas a text field may be better if additional details are required. After setting the type, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click on Save Changes. This ensures your baby seat option is stored and ready for the next stages. Now, with the baby seat feature in your toolkit, you'll want to assign it to specific trips. Head over to the Trips section in the WP Travel Engine. Here you'll find all trips. Choose a trip you'd like to edit by clicking the Edit option beneath the trip title. When the trip details load, scroll down to locate the Trip Facts section. In this section, you can enable or fill in the details for the new baby seat field you've just created. It's a good opportunity to tailor the option to match the specific trip offering. The last step in editing your individual trips is to update these changes. Hit the Update button, ensuring everything is saved and ready to go live on your front end. To check that everything's working properly, go to the front end of your site and visit the trip page you just edited. You should now see the baby seat option featured in your trip details, shining for all potential customers to see. That's it! Now you have successfully added a baby seat feature to your trips using the WP Travel Engine. This small yet significant addition can greatly improve user satisfaction, giving families a simple way to indicate their travel needs. Enjoy your enhanced travel site functionalities.